Welcome to my store. You can be facetious but not know what it means?
Sure.
Facetious means that you think your father is the most brilliant father ever. Yes. You think your father's the most brilliant father ever, right?
And in what world are you living in?
In a world where my son is good and well behaved and doesn't be difficult, doesn't cause me grief.
Sorry.
And doesn't lie to me about my chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken? That's from 2.5 Men. I wonder if there is a Cluckies. You know if there's a Cluckies?
Nope. You're really slow. I thought that this had to be done so fast that it wouldn't dry and
You
blah,
got
blah,
8
blah.
minutes.
Then I could have been sitting over in the chair.
Yeah, but then you wouldn't have been here ready to film these high quality videos. Okay. Now how much?
I can't touch it.
Well, where's the rubber gloves?
I don't know. We have 8 minutes. Hurry up.
Well, give me a knife. Yeah. There's your rubber gloves. Okay, turn it upside down. Okay. Now, basically what we got to do is line it up. So you put the one side on, okay? Hold your fingers like this here. Hold your fingers like this. Okay? Do that corner. Okay? You get down here to the end. Okay? And drop it. Okay? See how pretty that is? And then you center it all up. Here, Ryan. Don't be a pain. Don't continue to be a pain. And then you put the trim back on. You don't need to put a lot of silicone on because it's just to hold the trim. Okay, where's the trim?
Right behind you.
Okay.
Imagine that.
Imagine all the people.
What did you do?
No, Aaron, you're the responsible one around here.
If anything goes wrong, it's your fault.
No, you're responsible. Okay, now we gotta turn. Aaron, we gotta turn the tank over.
Why?
Just do the silicone on the inside. Okay, but make sure you don't take the bottom off. So tilt it. Keep pressure on it. Turn it over. Aaron, you should have cleaned the stuff out of it. See all the stuff that fell down?
Aaron should have done so many things.
Yes, Aaron should have did so many things. Where are you going?
You can do it.
Why do I gotta do it?
Because I'm busy catching fish.
You're busy catching fish for what?
Bored.
Because you're bored.
The things that we do when we're bored here.
We yell at the boy. That's a lot of fun. Boy hollering.
Shauna likes to put her fingers in with the Spanish now.
Why?
Because she likes the feeling, but she's really nervous about it, so like she'll back out and then she'll do it and then she'll back out and she'll scream and
She's afraid they'll get her?
yeah.
Okay.
I won't do it.
Oh, you're afraid they will?
Yeah.
You are afraid of cleaner shrimp.
Yep. That is correct. Oh wow, he's pretty.
It's pretty.
The big blue crayfish.
Well, of course he's pretty. We only saw the pretty ones here.
He's trying to get the fish.
What?
He's trying to get the fish.
Yeah.
He's only got one front claw.
Yeah, I saw that. Well, I think they must have been fighting at some point in time. And there's how you put the bottom onto a fish tank. And it took what? Less than 3/4 of an hour? Okay. That's it. Goodbye.